Hello again, everybody. I am back here to just walk you through your slides for lesson 3, talking about the flu and the flu vaccine. So slide 2 just has your goals. You're going to gain an understanding of how vaccines work in the human body, read a graphic novel to summarize how your body fights disease, and then you're going to discuss some COVID-19 headlines to analyze bias in the media. So slide 3, all you're doing here, you're going to fill in right now the green and the blue portion of this slide. So talking about your immune system, what are some things that you know, and what are some things that you want to learn or want to know about the immune system? So that should go on slide 3. Slide 4 is just a information for you, just an overview. These are the organs that are a part of your immune system. Slide 5, you should see a link pop up. You are going to just watch this Edpuzzle TED Ed on the immune system. Slide 6, 7, and 8, there's just some information here. So you've got here on slide 6, the immune system is a complex set of defenses to protect the body from pathogens. And a pathogen is just a harmful substance or disease-causing organism. So then moving ahead to slide number 7, again, just some more information. Your first line defenses resist pathogens. So you have several here. Unbroken skin is a barrier that prevents many pathogens from entering the body. Your respiratory system traps pathogens with cilia and mucus. The digestive system uses saliva, enzymes, acids, and mucus to kill bacteria. And the circulatory system has your white blood cells that patrol your body and destroy pathogens. So damaged or diseased tissue becomes inflamed, attracting certain white blood cells to fight bacteria. Again, here we have slide 8. Just some information. Specific immunity is the immune system works against a specific antigen by producing an antibody. So if you look at the picture here, an antibody is in blue. It's a protein that attaches to an antigen, making it useless. And then the antigens here are in yellow. Those are foreign molecules to the body. And so now I'm done here on slide 9. And slide 9, you're just going to be watching a video. And then on slide 10, you're going to be writing what you wonder or things you have questions about on slide 10. So you can see here, slide 10 says, what did you notice or wonder while watching the video? So again, on slide 9, you're watching the video. Slide 10, you're sharing the things that you noticed and the questions you have. Slide 11, you are going to open up this Google assignment. So you can see you're going to watch 2 Edpuzzle videos and read an article. And as you do that, you're just going to fill in the second and the third column here with how middle school age children are affected living through a pandemic in a couple different areas. After you've watched the videos and read the article, you're going to go back and look for some similarities and differences. But for right now, on slide 11, you're just opening up the Google assignment. And it should look like this when you have it open. Slide 12, you are just going to read this article on school life during the 1918 flu pandemic. So again, I'm going to just go back to slide 11. As you read that article, in your second column here, you are going to be adding some things like how middle school age children were affected by this 1918 flu pandemic. So on slide 12, you're just opening up that article, adding to your Google assignment. Now I'm on slide 13. Again, there's an Edpuzzle, a video you're going to open up and watch. And as you watch the video, or after you finish the video, I'm going to go back here to slide 11 just to show you. You are also going to be filling in that second column, this one right here, about how the 1918 flu affected middle school age children. Okay, so that was on slide 13. You're watching a video about 1918 flu pandemic. And then on slide 14, there's an Edpuzzle on COVID-19. So then, if I go back one more time, after you watch the video on slide 14, you are going to fill in this third column. How is COVID-19 affecting middle school age children? That would go here in that third column. All right, and so now I'm back here on slide 14. Slide 15, once you are done, so now you can see here, you should have the 1918 flu filled in, you should have COVID-19. Before you submit this assignment, go ahead and try to fill out some similarities you see between the 1918 flu and the COVID-19 pandemic, and some differences when you look at the 1918 flu and the COVID-19 the COVID-19 pandemic. Once you have all of these columns filled in, here on slide 15 is where you are going to submit this assignment to Schoology. Slide 16, there's another Edpuzzle video here for you to watch. The link should pop up so you can watch the video. Slide 17, you are going to open up the link below. It's going to give you a graphic story, Ask a Scientist, how does my body fight disease? And here, just focus on the vocabulary and the page at the end of the story. Here on slide 18, there should be a link that pops up for a Quizlet. So you can study for your immune system vocabulary quiz. So there's a link here. You're just going to study for your Quizlet. On slide 19, once you are ready, you're going to go to Schoology and take the Immune System Lesson 3 quiz. So go to Schoology, Immune System, Lesson 3, take the quiz. And then lastly, here on slide number 20, it's just a chance for you right over here to draw and answer this question. So soon children will be able to get the COVID vaccine. And actually, you guys are all able to get the vaccine right now. So I would answer here. You are able to if you would like to, I should say. But your question here is, how do you feel about getting the COVID-19 vaccine? So after all you have learned today and the past couple of days, just right here on slide 20, you're answering right in this area, how do you feel about getting the COVID-19 vaccine?